Hello everyone, this is a quick tips. Today in this video I will show you how to use shortcut in Solidworks. Right click in panel bar area, go to customize, go to shortcut bar. You can edit shortcut bars in this panel like this. Drag symmetric tool into shortcut bar. And you can also use mouse gesture to use shortcut. You can customize mouse gesture like this. Just use what do you need. Let's try to a left gesture. Click OK. Push S in your keyboard to use shortcut like this. See? Push S again. Click Insert Component. See? Functional properly. And a shortcut feature profile will be different like this. Now let's use mouse gesture. Hold right click, drag mouse, choose what shortcut do you need, like this. See? Now you go to customize again. Go to keyboard. In this panel you can make shortcut use your PC keyboard. For example, let's make shortcut for measure tool and mesh properties. Go to customize again. Go to keyboard panel. Search evolute. See? For measure, choose M keyboard for shortcut and G keyboard for mesh properties. Okay. Now push M in your keyboard. See? Now keyboard shortcut is make it. See? You can do like this. Click this face and this face, push M. See? Now let's try mesh properties. Push G in your keyboards. See? That is a quick tips. See ya!